I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making stuffed chicken marsala. If you've ever tried it at Olive Garden and loved it, you're going to love this recipe. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to cut our onion into strings. Chop our sun-dried tomatoes. And place them into a bowl. Now take your green onions and take your kitchen shears and go ahead and chop that right in the bowl. Add your minced garlic. Add your breadcrumbs. And I'm also going to be adding some cheese in here, which is a 4-cheese blend. It has the asiago, Fontina, parmesan, and provolone cheese. And I'm just going to add all that in here. Now add your sour cream. Give that a mix, and this is going to be the perfect stuffing for our chicken. This is how it's looking after combining everything together. This is perfect. Now take your chicken and remove the extra fat and the cartilage. Now take your knife and slice your chicken in half. Just like so. Take some plastic wrap and put it over your chicken, and we are going to use a meat tenderizer to flatten our chicken, or you can also use a rolling pin for this. And make sure you focus where it is thicker. Just like so. And continue the same process for the rest of your chicken breast. Now it's time to season our chicken with some creole seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now it's time to stuff our chicken, so go ahead and grab your chicken and take some of that stuffing and spread it inside. And you do not want to overstuff your chicken. Just put enough in here that you are able to roll it up after you are done. After stuffing your chicken, go ahead and close it up. Just like so. Now go ahead and push that over and continue the same process for the rest. Over medium heat in a large skillet, add your olive oil to cover the whole bottom of the skillet. Now that it is nice and hot, take your chicken and we're going to sear them until they have a nice golden color on both sides. While your chicken is searing, go ahead and turn your oven to 350 degrees. After 6 minutes, go ahead and flip your chicken. After your chicken are done, go ahead and remove them and place them into a baking dish. Just like so. Now go ahead and stick it in the oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to make the marsala sauce. Using the same skillet, go ahead and add your onions. And go ahead and cook that for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, go in with your mushroom and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how our mushroom and onions are looking. Now go ahead and add your marsala cooking wine. Now after adding in your wine, go ahead and continue cooking this until the wine is reduced to half. This is how our sauce is looking after the wine has reduced. Now go in with your heavy whipping cream. After adding in your heavy whipping cream, go ahead and allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. This is how my sauce is looking after it has thickened. This looks great, and you do not need to add any additional seasoning to this sauce because the marsala wine is full of flavor, and not to mention our stuffed chicken is also full of flavor. This is how our stuffed chicken is looking after pulling it out of the oven after 15 minutes. So now we can go ahead and add them to our marsala sauce. After adding in your chicken to the sauce, this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so my stuffed chicken marsala is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? I love to serve this with some mashed potatoes and broccoli. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.